I restored this Game Boy Advance SP to its former glory. Here's the original shell, full of scratches and missing a part. We got this order from Abby at Little Bear Coffee and decided it needed a full shell swap. Let's get the old Game Boy taken apart. Gotta unscrew all the screws. The board is looking great, no noticeable corrosion or any cracks or damage. Time to get this pesky ribbon cable removed. Okay, and the other side of the board looks good. Let's get these little rubber pads removed so I can access the screws. Now we can get the OG screen out and give it a good cleaning. Looking good and ready to go in the new shell. Now that we have the top half of the Game Boy put together, we can attach it to the bottom. First, we'll need to remove the hinges from the original shell. Now we can put them in the new shell. The other side didn't have as satisfying of a snap, so I cut it. Now we can continue putting the Game Boy back together. Putting the sticker on was definitely one of my favorite parts of the whole process. Here I cleaned the ribbon cable to ensure a solid connection to the board. And here I screwed the screws with my screwdriver until they're all screwed in the screw holes. And some more screws. Here I'll test it to make sure it powers on. Looks good. More screws. Now we're ready to give this the finishing touches and give it back to the customer. Now this retro? Is it really retro? This retro Game Boy looks good as new. And that's how